Hey guys, what's up? It's Ben with HRG Engineering, and today we are working on a brand new Honda Ridgeline. So I'm pretty excited about that. We're going to do a 1.5 front and 1 inch rear spacer combo on this deal, and that is going to get it lifted and leveled. I think we're going to start with the front suspension. That'll be the easiest, I think, and then we'll work on going to the back. We still don't have our lift installed, and actually that's the wrong one if you watch the other videos. So we got a new lift coming, but for now we still have to work on the ground. But you know, I figure if the person who's going to be putting this in their driveway is probably going to be working on the ground too. They're not going to have a lift. So
to start off with, take the 12mm out of the brake line, pull this ABS line out of the way, and take your little pliers and get the little clip on the other side for that ABS line pulled off so it's free from the shock.
I got it. I'm just talking to myself. I'm going to take the rotors off, complete assembly, not just the brake pads.
Yeah, I'm taking the rotor off as well.
17mm on both.
I'm going to end up cutting myself.
pop at least the impact maybe?
No, it's too short. Things in there. Alright. Yeah, that's so I don't fuck up the threads.
Okay. Yeah, remember the other side popped right out for us.
There it is. Just a little seize.
Okay, let me get that from you on the screw hammer. You didn't take the shield off, did you?
No. So, with the kit, you can see that the studs are hitting the spacer, not letting it sit all the way flush on the bottom. So what you're gonna have to do is take the spacer off, take the nuts that come with it, thread the nuts all the way to the bottom, and then we're gonna take a cutoff wheel and cut the top half off, and you'll pull the nut back off to make sure that the threads are in good shape after the cut has been made. Guess right. We're gonna end up cutting it right about here, just to give it enough space in between the spacer. Ready?
Close enough. You gonna hold that still or just let it roll around?
I mean, it's gonna be pulled towards my knee.
Okay.
Or at least it
Send
should.
it.
Well, it just
ain't makes me the welder I ain't.
Probably should spray this with something. You know, so it slides on a little easier. Hey, look at me. I got it all the way up there. Oh, sorry.
We're trying not to be in the way.
Well, I just don't want to pinch anybody's fingers.
My fingers have been pinched more times than you
He's
could
a
ever
bleeder.
imagine. Yeah, I really am. I started bleeding just trying to mop this morning.
Oh, man. Well, I'm starting to get that old man skin that's like thin.
Old man skin.
So
Some
anything.
liver spots.
Yeah, I don't got the liver spots yet. But
Got all 140
there we go.
pounds on it.
Bring it up. There we go. Hold on. What is it like hung up on? It's like should go right in there. Go ahead.
It's got to go towards the back of the car.
Towards
Push this back.
There we go, like that. There we go. There we go.
There he goes.
Is it?
Hey, that's it.
On. Everybody step back.
Give it your old kick.
Hey!
What we're gonna do is loosen this bolt. Don't take it out, just loosen it. Loosen this one, take this one completely out. Whole thing will swing down. We'll slide the spacer in up on top of that, bolt it together, and then we'll put the jack underneath the control arm, push it back up, and bolt everything back in place.
There we go. Yeah. That's how you do it. Thanks, Ben.
No problem.
Gotta be smarter than the